Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods. And if you are an architect or an interior designer or a home decorator, this video will definitely excite you. Generally, when you are creative, the most difficult part is you create something really unique. However, you don't find the proper manufacturer to get your vision, your designs on the ground. And here at Arson, what we do is we understand what you are looking for and we create what you want. Something like this. If you see this one, and this sofa, in fact, reminds me of that movie, Thor. There was a scene where there was a very long sofa, and similar to this, we have created this one. This one is 13 and a half feet left to right. It's a bigger one. In client's home, there is a big wall, and they want to create something different setup than a regular sofa set. So a big sofa here we have. The depth of the unit is also extra, is 36 inches front to back. This part 36 inches, back height is 54 till the center part of the Taj, and then we have four additional units that the client asked for. So we have created it in equal spaces so we can cover the entire unit. So a little bigger than 3 feet. The entire unit is a little bigger than 3 feet, and it's a square unit, and the design is matching to the design of the sofa. As you can see, the Taj in the lower part design, we have got same design on this as well, and it's a four side unit. So all four sides have the same design. Here you can see on this side, everything is same. It can be used as an additional unit, so I can keep it outside like this, and I can sit on any side I want because all four sides are same. Or I can keep it like this, the way you are looking at right now, and this can be used as a sofa cum bed or a day lounge or a chaise lounge divan also. So I can sit like this. I can stretch my legs. If I want, I can lay down completely, and I get enough space, a wide space for a single bed. 3 feet is a single bed kind of space, and the length you can see. Such a big sofa I have, and it's a grand structure in teak wood, antique gold paint, and a beautiful suede fabric as selected by the client. Now, the setup is entirely your choice. If you want to keep all of them together and use it as a bed completely, that can be done. You can keep two here and two this side. I'll keep it and show it to you. So, something like this. So, it can be used as a U-shaped sofa, or I can keep it outside there on both the sides, and it can work as an extendable part. Let me pull it out. So I can use it like this as well. So how I want it or how the client is thinking to use this unit, that is their choice. But here we have created the same design, the same concept as the client was looking for. And that is what Arson does for all their clients. Size, design, colors, fabrics, everything is as per the choice of the client and global delivery. This set is going to USA along with a lot of other furniture I have shown you in other videos as well. And we are making factory price furniture. We are the manufacturers, so you get the best price when you get it directly from Arson in solid teak wood and in different colors as per the client's requirement. So coming back to the original point, being an interior designer or a decorator, what actually you look for? You look for very unique designs because every client is unique. And then you look for different concepts. And then the interior design of the room, like the walls, the wallpapers, the wall decoration, and the carpets, the flooring, the rugs, and chandeliers or the drapes, curtains, all these things put together form a room, an overall design of a room. And here you want the furniture to perfectly match that theme. So what we do is we understand the requirement. Most of the times we work on the blueprints and we understand what sizes are you looking for, how you are placing the entire unit. And then we also say something because we have done so much work already. As you can see in the testimonials list, we have got a huge testimonial list from across the globe. There are hundreds and hundreds of pictures of different houses, sofas, beds, dining tables, julas, temple designs, room partitions, so much stuff, bedroom design completely. and everything is already delivered. And all these units are already visible in more than, I think, 1200 or 1300 videos we have on YouTube, detailed videos. There you can see the entire structure, the details, the size, everything is there. So if you are looking for something unique, if you're designing something creative and you want your client to have something really different, check our profile, check these testimonial photos. You'll get a lot of ideas. And if you have your own ideas, share with us and we'll make what you like. I'm sure you will like what we have shown you. And for any questions, the number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.